first saw you, anyang college tamo king Dean's office, makapink kang shirt, sabi ko king isip ko, kaya bang na naman itsuray ta? The following day, disanda aking classroom, maging classmate na ka pala. Who would have thought na yung taong ako buri, anyang mumuna, ya palang akatuluyan ko. E ako may kamaliking judgment ko kasi mayabang kan talaga.
Ilang beses na nag-away hanggang sa magkasakitan, di na alam ang pinagmulan. Pati maliliit na
iba talaga gumalaw si Lord. Sa preparations and all, ikaw ang pinadala at ginamit na instrumento para maging kung sino ako ngayon.
Kahit na ganito,
I love you so much. Sabi mo, 2 times na may change in planta mo na magpakasal. Di nala ni pandemic, dakala may apektuhan. Pero dahil king perfect timing ng Lord, achuta mo kay ni Abedig family and friends tamo. And now, that for me is bound fated. I love you so much.
Kahit na binabato mo ako ng kung ano-ano, ikaw pa rin ang gusto ko. Kahit na sinasampal mo ako at sinisipat na susugatan mo, ikaw pa rin, wala iba. Gusto kong makasama. Walang iba.
Thank you for always making my dreams come true. Alakang ali tutuparan king promises mo. Ali ko man magdebu, but you made me feel like a princess today.
Kahit na binabato mo ako ng kung ano-ano, ikaw pa rin ang gusto ko. Kahit na sinasampal mo ako at sinisipat na susugatan mo, ikaw pa rin, walang iba. Ang gusto kong makasama, huwag ka nang mawawala. Walang iba. Walang iba.
I believe God's timing is always perfect. Finally, after 2 postponed weddings that we planned, we are now facing each other in front of God. I thank God na ika ing maging partner ko. Along the way, dakal pang challenges ing datang kakatamo, but I know if God will be the center of our relationship, we will overcome them.
We are the river, we are the dreamer.
Kasaman da ka kasi panemong pamusitan and pipikunan. Pero deta pala ding maging reason nung bakit ko ma-inlove kaya ka. And with that, since 3rd year college, despite all the challenges we encountered, we are now 11 years together.
We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. Eyes open wide and the world is before us.
I promise to love you without condition, to honor you each and every day, to love with you when you're happy, to support you when you're sad, to guide you when you ask for direction, to challenge you to be a better person, and allow you to do the same for me.
We have everything we need and we know we were made for this adventure and we were made to go. We're like we're like
Sabi natin Adam Sandler, I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry around when your arthritis is bad. Oh, all I wanna do is grow old with you. Love you.
I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you.